Hi everyone, it's Christina from the DIYmommy.com, and today I want to give you an update on my DIY studio progress. You might remember a little while ago I introduced you to my DIY studio project, which by the way, I might change the name to the Little White Studio because it's going to be all white. Outside's white, inside's white. So anyway, let me know what you think of that in the comments below. I've done quite a bit of things. Actually, my parents have done most of it because they've moved out all of their stuff out of the studio, which was a ton of work. So I just want to show you around and just give you an update on what I've done so far. Okay, so you guys know that I've been doing quite a bit of work with a company called The Brick. They are a large furniture and appliance store here in Canada. So they have agreed to partner with me on this studio project as well, which I am really thankful for and really excited about. So this is one of the pieces that they sent me to try. This is called the Calistoga desk. And I've always wanted a desk with these trestle legs just like this. So I think this is just so beautiful, solid wood, so it's gonna last me a long time. Originally I thought that I was going to maybe pull out this desk from the wall and put the chair behind, but I'm really not sure now that it's in the space if that's gonna be enough room between the island and the little kitchen here and the desk. So for now it's just up against the wall. My faux fiddle leaf fig here used to be in our old house. Didn't like it there anymore, so I thought it would suit this more modern space potentially. We'll see. Just some artwork that I had. I don't think this will be here permanently, but I just thought I'd stick it up there for some of my favorite color teal. This is a faux cowhide rug that I made just out of some fabric, and I'll leave a link in the description box below for that DIY. Super simple, super affordable. This chair is also a new one that I'll be using in my studio. It's called the Soft Modern Chair. Again, this one was supplied to me from The Brick. I love this contrast of modern and kind of rustic farmhouse. So I think that's kind of going to be a theme in this space. So yeah, the whole space looks really different with most of the furniture cleared out. I'm gonna leave this wall blank, I think, for video and just to kind of give the room some breathing space and a nice shot of white. This fireplace corner here, I thought it would be fun to experiment with tile painting here. We don't walk on this corner of the studio, so I thought it would be a great place to try tile painting. I've seen lots of people do it, so I have plans to do kind of a faux cement tile sort of thing. I found this stencil pack at Michael's, used my 55% off coupon, and I think I'm gonna give these a really good sand, a really good clean, and paint them with some chalk style paint, and then paint them black, and then stencil this on with some white and make a really show-stopping cement tile sort of pattern with paint. So we will see how that goes. I'll definitely video that. And then this rug here, I love it. It's just such a cool kind of boho modern style, totally right up my alley. That's also from The Brick. For now, I've just put up some semi-sheer curtains. These are from IKEA. One of my favorites, they're the Vivian. For a 2-pack, they're only $15 Canadian. Obviously, they're a lot too long, so in a video soon, I'm gonna share with you how to hem curtains, the no-sew method. This coffee table, you might remember, was in the house here when it was a guest house for my parents. They just left it here because it didn't go with their decor. It's also from The Brick, the Calistoga line, which matches the desk. This teal ottoman just brings in my pop of teal. So I basically want to keep this whole space quite neutral, black and white, but with just pops of my signature teal color. Chairs I had in my house already. I just brought them out here for now for some seating while we wait for the other seating. There's going to be a sofa, or a love seat rather, right there. I've decided to make it face the window here because I thought that would make great YouTube intro lighting. Kitchen, haven't done anything with it yet. However, I did purchase this little guy from Amazon because I want to put a curtain rod mounted from the joists in the ceiling and attach this arm onto it with this clip so that I can attach my camera face down so that I can do some tutorial videos on this island here. So in my head it works. It's going to be interesting to see how it does in real life, and we'll see. I think it's going to be really cool. And then I also eventually want to try to do maybe a faux sort of subway tile on the backsplash here, but that's later on down the road. This way we just moved this really large antique piece to the entry here, and I am going to give this some sort of makeover, and I think I'm keeping it. My mom also likes it, so we'll see, but let me know in the comments below if you think I should strip this down to the natural oak and just finish it that way, or if it needs a chalk paint job. Okay, coming this way, just storage back here for random chairs for projects. The old bedroom here is just light storage so far. And then the storage room, my parents just so nicely finished cleaning it out. It was such a big job. So thankful for that. And I'm just setting up some shelving from IKEA to be able to store some staging stuff and some personal seasonal things, and some extra furniture that I'm either going to use as staging or sell. Thanks so much for coming along with me to tour my studio so far. Let me know in the comments below what you think of it. I know it's just essentially putting furniture together and sticking it in here so far, but I can't wait to get into like the nitty-gritty DIY, blood, sweat, and tears, hands dirty type of projects in here, like the tile painting and doing some stuff in the kitchen and maybe making over that antique wardrobe. Thanks again, guys, for all of your encouragement on my first video about the studio project. I am so excited, and I am excited to bring you along and show you the progress as I go. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you all again in my next video. Bye!